Hello, welcome to my blog. So today we are going to cook a beef stew. So this is the kind of meat that I like to use when I'm making beef stew. This is like 4 pounds. We're gonna use garlic and onion. We are going to put green and red bell peppers and green beans, carrots, and potato. I'm going to use curry powder, olive oil, annatto powder, black pepper, 2 chicken cubes. I'm gonna put olive oil, garlic, onion. Next, our meat. We're just gonna saute that. It's time to season our meat. 2 chicken cubes, annatto, black pepper, curry powder. Then we mix. Now our meat is seasoned. It's time to put some water and let this boil until the meat is tender. So after we're boiling our meat, we're gonna put some vegetable juice. Instead of using tomato sauce, this one is much healthier. So it's boiling. We're gonna pour some tomato juice. We're gonna pour a lot of that. So that's how it looks. So we're just gonna boil this, let the meat tender rise again. It's time to put our potato. I'm gonna put all of this potatoes in. We'll just mix it and then we'll cover it, let the potato get tender. We're gonna put some bay leaf. Next, we're gonna put our carrots. We'll let that tender too. Next, we're gonna put all of our vegetable, green beans and green pepper, red pepper. We're just gonna mix it up. Just gonna mix it. And our meat is very tender. I tasted the taste and it's really good. And this meal is very healthy. As you guys can see, I use vegetable juice instead of tomato sauce. In the vegetable juice, there's a lot of vegetables mixed to it. Celery, carrots, and lettuce, and some other vegetables go with our vegetable juice. So there you go, guys. We are done cooking. Our meat is tender, very tender. I tasted that. And also our vegetables, the carrots, the potatoes, and the bell pepper is just like tender than the way I like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the red button in there. And thank you so much. See you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.